Weird sea creatures. Strange but true. Many strange sea creatures live in the ocean. Some are beautiful, some are ugly, some are cute, and some are scary. Weird sea creatures are strange for a reason. The funny way they look and the strange things they do help them live in the ocean. Survival skills. Some animals live in the shallow ocean waters. Some live in the deep ocean. The ocean can be a hard place to live. Deep areas are cold and dark. It can be hard to find food. And the ocean can be dangerous. There are many predators. Any animal can quickly become dinner for another animal. Sea creatures have special skills that help them find food. They also have strange body parts that can help them hide and stay safe from other animals. How weird are these sea creatures? Let's find out. Hide and seek, camouflage, helps animals hide from their enemies. Looking strange helps them blend into the plants or water around them. Camouflage also helps animals catch dinner. Do you see the stonefish in the picture? Most fish don't because it looks like rock or coral. When they swim too close, the stonefish springs from the ocean floor. It grabs dinner in a flash. Big eyes. The deep ocean gets very little light. Many animals that live there have large eyes. Big eyes help creatures see in the darkness and find prey. This viper fish uses its big eyes to spot a hatchetfish. Dinner time, the hatchetfish uses its own large eyes to find any tiny shrimp to eat in the dark sea. Making light. Many creatures in the deep dark sea have a special trick. They make their own light. This is called bioluminescence. Some sea creatures use their own light as a flashlight to find prey. Light can draw prey toward an animal, too, and light can surprise enemies, so an animal can make a quick escape. Expert food. Some animals have wacky body parts that help them catch meals. The gulper eel has a super long tail. Prey comes closer to a better look. This eel's giant mouth opens wide. It can eat an animal bigger than it is. It can be picky in the deep sea. The eel must eat whatever it can find. The tiny cookie cutter shark locks onto its prey with strange sucking lips. Its sharp teeth sink in. They leave a bite the shape of a circle. An angler fish has its own fishing pole called a lure. The lure glows and other fish want to know what it is. When they get close, the angler fish eats them. Deadly dangers. Bumping into some sea creatures can be bad news. The yellow sea anemone looks like a pretty flower, but it has stinging parts that have deadly venom. When a fish is stung, its muscles stop working. Then the anemone eats the fish. The box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous animals in the world. It has arms called tentacles that grow up to 10 feet long. The tentacles deliver a painful, deadly sting. This lionfish has crazy spiky fins, but you wouldn't want to touch them. The fins on its back are sharp and can sting you. Strange senses. Some animals near the ocean floor don't even have eyes. They can't see their food, so they use other senses to find it. A sea cucumber can find tiny pieces of food stuck to its tube feet. It curls its feet in and licks them clean. A hagfish has a super strong sense of smell and touch. It can smell food that's fallen from higher up in the ocean. It also uses feelers to find meals. Super subs. How do we know about weird creatures in the deep ocean? People can't dive to see these strange creatures. It's too cold and dark there, and the water pressure is strong enough to crush a person. But humans can use machines called submersibles to explore the deep ocean. Sometimes people control them from far away, like a remote-controlled car, and sometimes people ride inside. Submersibles collect information. They have lights, and special tools. They take pictures and they gather plants, rocks, and animals. Scientists use submersibles to find the weird creatures shown here. And there are probably thousands more that have not been found yet. Weird sea creatures.